Hey guys, welcome to this WordPress full site editing series tutorial. In this series tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful looking WordPress website using the default WordPress theme, which is 2022, and it's a block-based WordPress theme. So in this video, if you are new to this WordPress or if you are new to WordPress Gutenberg editor, then this video is only for you and it will be a very helpful video for all of you. So if you want to learn how Gutenberg works and how the full site editing works, then stick with this video. So before diving into the deep, let me introduce myself first. Very shortly, I am Riyad Mahmoud and I'm a WordPress expert and also a UI designer. I build websites for my clients to take their business to the next level and also create tutorials for my audience. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification so that when I upload any new video, you will get notified. So let's go back to our conversation. What is the full site editing? If you're familiar with the Elementor Pro page builder, then you will know that it comes with a powerful theme builder. I personally really like the Elementor Pro features from Elementor. But now WordPress has introduced its own block-based theme builder like Elementor Pro. Though it's a beta version, hopefully it will improve more in the future. Using the full site editing features, you can easily create a fully custom theme without any primary coding. You can create a custom header, custom footer, archive page, single page, and custom page template, and many more features. So if you are new to the Gutenberg and WordPress editor and want to learn WordPress with a real life project, then this series tutorial is only for you. After completing this series tutorial, you will have a solid understanding about Gutenberg and how the WordPress default Gutenberg works. Please note that the Gutenberg block-based editor or the theme builder that we are going to use in this tutorial is still beta version, but hopefully WordPress will release the final version very soon. So without further ado, let's jump into my editor.